All right, the triangle angle bisector theorem says that if you bisect an angle in a triangle, it's going to split the opposite side into sides that are proportionate to the sides of the triangle. So essentially what we get as a proportion is 10 over 5 equals 12 over x. 10 over 5 equals 12 over x. And we multiply diagonals, we get 10x equals 5 times 12 is 60. X equals 6. Here, we're going to do the same thing. X over 14 equals 20 over 8. Multiplying the diagonals, we get 8x equals 20 times 14. I'm going to write that to just, so I'm not jumping to the answer of what that is, and then say, if we're going to do times 20, let's do times 2. Let's do 14 times 2, 28, and add a 0. That's 280. And now, if we divide both sides by we divide both sides by 8, and I'm going to zoom in here to do this in the middle, or actually, I guess we can do it down here. We've got 280 divided by 8. 8 goes into 28, 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. So there's 4 left over, bring down the 0. 8 goes into 45 times. Yep. So we get back to our original space. We can see that the answer is 35. I'm going to erase that work. Just write in 35. Straightforward. Hope you can